What if you could finish a full day's work before lunch? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not if you're using the right AI tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my daily AI toolkit, the exact apps and platforms I use to get more done, stress less, and stay in control of my life and business. Whether you're a student, a content creator, a small business owner, or just trying to stop feeling overwhelmed, these tools will change how you work forever. Let's dive in. Why AI is a game changer in 2025. In 2025, AI isn't just some cool tech buzzword, it's your new personal assistant, virtual strategist, and even creative partner. While others are stuck in reactive mode, you can automate, delegate, and elevate your output like never before. These tools don't just save me hours, they give me mental clarity and time to focus on what truly matters. My daily AI toolkit. Tool number 1. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Let's start with the king of AI, ChatGPT. I use it every morning like my second brain. Need ideas for a YouTube script? Done. Struggling to write an email? It drafts it for me in seconds. I even use it to create outlines, contracts, ad copy, and technical explanations. The trick? Be specific with your prompts. I usually start my day with something like, act as a productivity coach. Help me design my day based on these 5 tasks. And ChatGPT replies with a focused, prioritized plan that gets me moving. Tool number 2. Notion AI. If ChatGPT is my brain, Notion AI is my digital command center. Here's how I use it. I keep my knowledge base here, like quick notes, tutorials, articles, and quotes. I plan all my content calendars in one place. I use its AI to summarize long documents and even generate project outlines. Bonus tip. I have a master dashboard that connects my life goals, habits, and projects all in one clean interface. It feels like I'm running my life like a CEO. Tool number 3. GrammarlyGO. We all write something daily, emails, captions, DMs, client updates. But the way you write affects how people perceive you. That's why I run everything through GrammarlyGO. Not only does it fix grammar, but it rewrites entire paragraphs based on tone, casual, confident, professional, or empathetic. Perfect for writing client pitches, social media posts, job applications, apology emails. Tool number 4. Taskade. This is the hidden gem in my stack. Taskade is my AI-powered to-do list and planner. When I don't feel like writing a plan, I ask Taskade, make me a daily productivity schedule with focus blocks, breaks, and email time. And boom, it does it for me. I love using it in focus mode for that clean, minimal, distraction-free vibe. Tool number 5. Claude AI, Anthropic. Sometimes ChatGPT gives you surface-level answers. But Claude AI? It's the deep thinker in the room. I use Claude for writing long-form articles, ethical dilemmas, research papers, thoughtful emails. It's especially useful when I want a more human-like AI that thinks with empathy. Tool number 6. Otter.ai. If you attend Zoom meetings, podcasts, webinars, or interviews, you need Otter.ai. This AI transcribes in real time, identifies speakers, and lets you highlight key moments. Use cases, client meetings, lectures, sales calls, podcast notes. It even integrates with Google Meet and Zoom for auto-recording. Total time saver. Tool number 7. ClickUp. ClickUp is my project management powerhouse. Whether I'm planning a video series, a product launch, or a freelance client campaign, ClickUp organizes it all. I especially love the AI in ClickUp Docs, which lets me summarize meetings and convert notes into action steps. Tool number 8. Reclaim.ai. If you're always double-booked or overwhelmed with meetings, listen up. Reclaim.ai automatically finds time for your deep work, tasks, and even self-care. Every Sunday, I let Reclaim analyze my week and block time for content creation, admin work, workouts, downtime. This isn't just a productivity tool, it's a burnout prevention tool. Tool number 9. ElevenLabs. If you create content, especially podcasts or YouTube, ElevenLabs will blow your mind. It can clone your voice, read scripts in your tone, create multi-language voiceovers. I use it to narrate content while I'm doing other things, like walking or editing visuals. And yes, it sounds like me. Tool number 10, Pictory.ai. I turn long-form content into short, engaging videos using Pictory.ai. Here's how it works. 1. Upload a script or video. 2. Let Pictory auto-generate scenes. 3. Add music, voice, captions, and boom, content done. Great for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn videos, repurposing blog posts into visuals. It's like having a video editor, producer, and storyteller all in one. Productivity strategy wrap-up. Let me give you my real secret. These tools aren't magic on their own, you need a system. Here's mine. Mornings right pointing arrow planning and writing, ChatGPT, Notion, Taskade. Midday right pointing arrow execution and meetings, ClickUp, Otter, Grammarly. Evening right pointing arrow review, reflect and automate, Claude, Reclaim, Pictory. With AI, you're not just working faster, you're working smarter. You're building a system that frees your time, expands your creativity, and makes you future-proof. There you go, my complete AI productivity stack for 2025. If this gave you ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite AI tool in the comments. And hey, if you want more tips on AI, side hustles, and automation tools that help you win back your time, stick around. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video.